We've made attendance tracking simple and easy. All it takes is adding at least one group to the event. Groups are used for tracking church attendance for worship, small groups, Sunday school, and other events in your ministry. So let's talk about how to use groups for attendance and check-in. You have to think of assigning groups like building a roster. Everyone with that group on their profile will be added to the event as possible attendees. So by selecting a group, you'll be given a list of everyone with that group on their profile who you can record as an attendee or print a name tag in the check-in process. To set all of this up, select People in your ChurchTrac account. And in the Setup tab at the top of the screen, select Groups. Then select a group in the list and enable attendance tracking and check-in by toggling the switch to the on position. Only groups with attendance tracking enabled here will appear when assigning groups to an event. Now in Events, select the Attendance and Check-in tab at the top of the screen and select the Add button and enter the event details. And select the Add Date button. After creating the event, you'll be able to select which attendance-enabled group you want to add to that event. So I'll select the discipleship groups that we were customizing earlier and select Apply Selections. Remember, selecting a group creates a roster, so which groups you assign to the event depends on the event and who you anticipate will be there. Now that the groups are assigned to this event, I can begin marking people present just by clicking or checking off their names on this screen. Or I can print name tags, or you can assign other leaders to record attendance from their Church Connect account. That's how to use groups for tracking attendance in ChurchTrac. If you have questions, send us a support ticket or visit churchtrac.com/support. See you in the next pro tip.